belief systems, okay, which are founded on well-tested axioms, allows an adult to reason any particular proposition he comes across. If you are consistent with your moral core, have you heard the word core morals?
Yeah.
That's where it comes from. So it is a set of principles that are used to govern an individual's beliefs and actions. Does he think a particular thing is wrong? If so, why? Does it conflict with his axioms? Then yes, he will hold that to be wrong. It is the same principle you should apply to an argument essay, because at the end of the day, what is an argument essay? You're given a topic and you are asked to choose one stance over the other. And why would you do that? Only if you find one stance to be correct while the other is wrong. Now, of course, within this particular process, you may come across several nuances where, okay, even if the other thing is wrong, there might be certain cases where, certain exceptional cases where they may be right. Remember in the first class, I told you about rules and exceptions? Never assume that the existence of one particular event is proof of something. It could very well be an exception. And the opposite might be true of the event in normal circumstances. Okay? We all say that to commit murder is wrong, right? Of course it is. And yet, all the people who have the death penalty, they are committing murder, isn't it? It's homicide, the killing of another individual by other people. That's what it is. And yet, people don't say not all say that the death penalty is wrong. The same thing goes with soldiers. You say murder is wrong, and yet soldiers end up killing other people during battles, don't they? And they're rewarded for it. So that's what we mean by exception to a rule. So in order for you to properly come up with a correct argument, the first thing you require is a consistent moral axiomatic foundation. Do you understand? Now here's what I want you to do for me. I want you, okay, so to come up with all the argument essays you have answered so far, okay, all of them. Collect the thesis sentences, paste it in a single doc, and then share it with me. And we'll see if you do indeed have that, because I don't think you do have it, and could be the reason for why you find the argument essay to be tough. Because see, Meredith has said the same thing. You guys find rhetorical analysis easy. For me, it is the opposite. I find the argument essay to be the easiest thing to do because there's no reading required. Just straight away deliver. Okay? So do this.